Welcome to our next video blog all about location. My name is Will Dyer and I'm the Chief Investment Officer of Bay Mountain Capital. Location is so important in real estate because at the end of the day, real estate's about location. The better the location, the better profits you can achieve. Location affects your return because in a better location you can typically demand a higher sales price. At the end of the day, labor and materials are generally the same no matter what the location is throughout a city, but if it's in a better neighborhood, you'll be able to get a better bang for your buck. It's all about also buying right. Real estate, you make your money when you buy, not when you sell. If you buy correctly, in a better neighborhood, you can expect a better return. The main reason why you want to spend a little bit more to get in a better location, yes, it means most likely better profit and return, but it's also about better timing. If you're in a better neighborhood and the quicker you can get that property back on the market to sell, generally it will sell quicker, thus less hold costs for you, thus returning to your bottom line. There are a number of qualities that make location better than the others, but to me the three biggest are school systems, walkability, and amenities. Why are school systems so important? The typical person who purchases a home generally is someone who has a family, including small children. They're going to want their children to go to the best school that they possibly can. Thus, better school systems generally demand a higher value. Walkability is a great attribute to have these days, especially with the younger generation who doesn't want to be tethered to a car. Being able to walk to restaurants and walk to parks and things of that nature really drives up the quality of the location. To me, a third quality to look for in a location is amenities. And what do I mean by amenities? Similar to walkability, which they go hand in hand, does the neighborhood have restaurants you can walk to? What about parks? What about playgrounds? What about, again, are the elementary schools walkable? Those are the type of amenities that people really look for when they're purchasing their home. They want to be able to walk the neighborhood, have amenities that they can walk to, feel safe and secure. Once you find that house that you want to do a fix and flip on in that great location, we're here to help you with the next step, which is preparing the application, doing your due diligence, and making your dreams come true. Thank you for taking the time to watch our latest video blog, and please be on the lookout for future video blogs coming soon. Also, if you have a subject you'd like to hear about, please feel free to write in and let us know.